where the alphabets have disappeared. See, here are some nesting eggs in front of you. Blue egg, green egg, orange egg and red egg. Now let's find the hidden alphabets inside these colorful eggs. So can you help me to find? Let's find out. So let's see whether those alphabets are inside this red egg. No. Maybe inside this orange egg? No. Maybe here in this green egg? Still no. Maybe here in this blue egg. Yes, it's here inside this blue egg. So let's see. Oh, it's a chick inside this blue egg. Here are some alphabets. See, here are some alphabets. B, A, T, and a letter E. A, B, E, T. So let's find the next alphabets. Maybe here. No, it's not here. It's maybe here. No, it's not here. Maybe here. No. It might be here. Yes, it's here. Oh, it's horse. And here are some alphabets. So let's see. The alphabets are, it's W, Q, I, X, and J. I, J, Q, W, and X. Now let's search the next alphabets. So I guess where it is, I think it's here. No, I think it is here. No, it may be here. No. Yes, it's here. Oh, what it is? It's a rocket. And we got some alphabets. So let's see, what are those alphabets? K, N, C, R, and letter D. C, D, K, Now let's find the next alphabets. So let's search here. No, it's not here. Maybe here. It's not here. It might be here. No. Let's see here. It might be here. Yes, it's here. So let's open it. What is this? It's a blueberry. See, it has given us some alphabets. So let's see those alphabets. It's letter P. It's M. Letter F. And it's letter Y. F. M. Letter B. And Y. So let's find the rest alphabets. I think it may be here. Oh, it's here. So let's see what is inside. What is this? Oh, it's a squirrel. It has given some alphabets. Oh, it's here inside. It's a police car. Here are some alphabets. Let's see. What is this? It's a baby crocodile. Oh, here are some alphabets. And the last egg. Here is baby elephant. Here are some alphabets. So let's see. The rest alphabets are V, U, G, H, O, L, N, and S. G, H, letter L, N, O, S, U, and V. So here we have completed A to Z. Thank you for helping me. If you like this video, please share, like and subscribe.